Ever spent hours editing a YouTube video just to get some views and zero subs? What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way, no camera, no mic, no editing, and it only takes 5 minutes using AI? Hey, I'm Petter from Petter AI Hustle. And if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make real money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell watch until the end. Because one small tweak at the final step can literally double your reach and earnings.
Step 1. Access and log in to Monica AI. Go to the official website https://monica.im. Log in with your Google account or create a free account. Once you're in the main dashboard, you'll see various AI tools, including the Translator feature. Step 2. Translate regular text. Click on AI Tools or find the Translator option in the menu. Choose the Text Translation mode. Type or paste the text you want to translate. Select the original language and the target language, for example, English to Vietnamese. Click Translate and get instant results. Step 3. Translate PDF, Word, PowerPoint files. Go to AI Tools, choose File Translation, click Upload File, and select the document you want to translate, PDF, DocX, PPTX. Select the source and target languages. AI Monica will process the file automatically and provide a translated version as plain text or a downloadable file. You can preview the translation, make edits, or download it right away.
If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. In my next video, I'm comparing
This AI
to another viral AI tool that completely failed on me. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.